speaking to owners here, right? What are the best things we can do for our machines? Whether we're repairing them ourselves or hiring you or somebody else to do it for us, what are the best things that we can be doing that, are relatively simple, that anybody can do, but that will make a big impact?
We're not even going to talk about the normal maintenance because we did I think the next tier to that is actually understanding your equipment. And this is something I learned strictly from my other partners in this who are the hands-on ones in the operations. And they were saying there's a reason why there's manuals. And if you've never looked it up or had the manual for your machine and popped the top, looked at it, kind of understood what's going on, why would this leak? Why would that leak? Those error codes, anyone can look up the error code. But if you take the time to learn your machines inside and out, I think that's one of the most underrated things for an owner, because you can give us way better data where if you're going to say, hey, machine 12 doesn't work. Okay. Or, hey, I open the top, I see there's a leak out of this valve, or this valve is not turning. I see that, the drain's a little, it's slow draining, or hey, this is making noise on this machine, or it shuts off at this stage, or I think it's getting shaky. Any extra information you can learn about your equipment with, again, YouTube, listening to your podcast and stuff like that from other people talking about issues. Actually take the time to learn your equipment. This is not a passive business. No matter what anybody says, the more you can learn about your industry, I think that's probably the biggest takeaway that I've seen of people that know their equipment. Because I get emails that are so nicely detailed for me and my admins to put in our system versus, hey, I have 7 machines now.